ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ke jingsio ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan, pila ru ban syukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan.
Menteri Sarkar Beliru nong aikten jok Sarkar MDA2 ba polling do ulai thu bagi dan kumba arlak ngutam kinong di Droks hakani ke Jylla mat kani ka long kat kum ke jingkhain ka balalum laisna menchwa. Ki babun ni kinong di Droks ke lagi samla ki bahapo ka lai pusnam kunthop na du ki khna ki bahapo ka prasnam. Kani kalong kat kum ke jingkhain ke balai sna menchwa bat menta ke sarkar kadang lum thup ya ke jingkhain ka babiang.
Well, we have just cleared today, the appointment of the new director of social welfare, Kong Doreen Lingwa. She will, by the time the notification is out, it will take maybe a couple of days, and then we will take that process forward. Statistics that are readily available with us. These were compiled, I think, 3 years ago. Yeah, so we will need to update those statistics, and that can only be handled once the new incumbent takes over as director. Trong cái livestream mình xóa thì cái bấm ba yamenta mut kata kala kamjur susu te kata kadi ke ba ngakren mentan ke ba ngin haban ngin sem khya ba ngaklen jong ka sarkar ngin haban coordinate ru bat kini ki line departments hanne ki long ka health department ko ka kya police department te bat ka social welfare te ki rules pada jong kani ka NDPS nei ketua ngin habru ban sim saya ki view jongka law department pada kadang ba ka kanam dan ke kelas apa ki rules ke bangithau but ka fundamental act ke badika central act ke each group kla cross look tambah ke jur doi kedai hagini ki teenage terter hadu arsan laipo snap ke joba tu each group kini official figures badan bat ni
social welfare.
Our figures of 3 years ago, and what I'm saying now is we need to update those figures. So let the new director take over, and then we can begin the fresh survey. Pri ka sujaran khat ba ka Shillong kadai ka transit point ka ba kibri penonggam ya ke national highway ban lek chikwi states te bat ni general ba bat ka Myanmar ke wi kata ke ba ar pada kolom ba kani ke ain ke pengidam ke national act NDPS ke dan bun ba ki kendon ki ba khanglan ya ke police, for example, ya ki police can terekam effectively. Kibu ya ke honest of responsibility ha beri balik ban object balik mudui bapentip suspect tidrei kabangila ban le tolong ba menta ngin penklan ki rules mari rules jong ki central acts nisna mangi state government the immediate priority jong ni hani kolomba in penklan in titan ya ki rules ki wangi dan in pelong full proof ki kadang ba kini ki jing ki kindo bar habede bekaan ngilang ben kita tika balai ko kun sanduk ngasmo kedai pada ke rule jong ke imlang salam ni nado ki educational institution hadu ki niam dalam ba ngin hikai ya ka jinglong adakar apren ki sama ki jongi te in the pet hakat mo pi mention ni kathang ni jongi hadu na wan pai ku nomi kamat ila intensify ila hamjur eki rates but can gerega imply success stories kala hambun nge quantity jonki seized drugs kala kiyo the idan kamru ye ka support jonka community probably current situation especially considering the fact that most of these drug users are youths who are in their 20s up to 30s, a very productive age, and also that we have even not just boys, even girls indulging in drug addiction, and this is again linked to issues like AIDS and HIV and a general lack of direction in life for these young people. So we will be advocating for more awareness programs, and we will certainly pay more attention to this aspect. If you recall, this is an issue that I had also raised in the State Assembly very vociferously 5-6 years ago, and now that I'm here in charge of social welfare, I will ensure that we tighten our grip over the system, and no men, especially men in uniform, shall be allowed to operate in such a manner. Wherever such cases come up to your attention, bring them to my notice as well. Statewide, the rehabilitation of members of the society who have gone the wrong way. So we will intensify our action plan, and we should be able to cover the entire state in the next 6 months. We intend to also set up more rehab centers. The only issue here is, as you said, the exorbitant rates charged by private centers. On this, the government has to step in. But as I've just taken over, it's not even 3 months. So we will certainly give this all the required attention, and we will certainly be able to initiate our own rehab centers, at least beginning with the state capital. That is a question that actually should be addressed to the health minister. But since I'm also a government spokesperson, we need to, and I will have a joint meeting with the health department to go to the entire issue, and we will be able to come up with an action plan.